In a world of streaming and apps, a genuine portable radio is still one of the most reliable, essential things you can own. For the workshop, the campsite, the beach, or when the power goes out and you need information. In 2026, they're better than ever. I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. The Panasonic Portable AM/FM radio is the genuine, trusted everyday classic that delivers reliable reception and clear sound from a name that's been trusted for decades. Panasonic has a genuine reputation for dependable, well-built radios, and this portable model reflects that with strong, clear AM and FM reception that pulls in stations reliably even in weaker signal areas, a real advantage for everyday listening. The clear, full sound from the quality speaker makes news, talk, and music genuinely enjoyable, and the simple analog tuning is genuinely easy and satisfying to use. The compact, lightweight, genuinely portable design goes anywhere, from the kitchen to the garage to the porch, and the long battery life on standard batteries keeps it running genuinely for ages. The sturdy, no-fuss build is genuinely built to last, and the intuitive controls keep operations simple for any age. Panasonic's reputation for reliability backs the quality. For anyone who wants a genuinely trusted, reliable, great-sounding, everyday portable radio from a classic brand, the Panasonic is the most trusted, most everyday reliable pick on this entire list. Check the link below and grab it today. Trusted, reliable, genuinely classic. The Sangean TB100 TOUGHBOX is the genuine rugged workhorse. A genuinely bomb-proof radio built to survive the workshop, job site, and outdoors. The standout is the genuinely rugged, heavy-duty construction with an ultra-durable, impact-resistant housing and a protective roll cage that genuinely survives drops, dust, water splashes, and the abuse of a construction site or garage. A real advantage where normal radios would break. Sangean is renowned for quality radios, and the TB100 delivers with strong, clear AM and FM reception that pulls in stations reliably even in tough environments, and genuinely loud, clear sound that cuts through workshop noise. The versatile power options run on batteries or AC for genuine flexibility, and the built-in features often include an AUX input and rugged controls that work with work gloves. The genuinely tough build is designed for years of hard use. Sangean's reputation for quality backs it. For anyone who needs a genuinely rugged, bomb-proof radio for the workshop, job site, or outdoors, the Sangean TB100 TOUGHBOX is the most rugged, most job site tough pick on this entire list. The Sony ICFP26 Portable is the genuine, reliable value pick that delivers Sony quality reception and clear sound in a compact, genuinely affordable package. Sony has a legendary reputation in radios, and the ICFP26 brings that genuine quality to an accessible price, delivering strong, clear AM and FM reception that reliably pulls in stations for everyday listening. The clear, full sound from the quality speaker makes news, talk, and music genuinely enjoyable, and the compact, lightweight, genuinely portable design slips easily into a bag or sits neatly on a shelf. The simple, intuitive tuning and controls keep operation genuinely easy for any age, and the long battery life on standard batteries keeps it running genuinely for ages. The solid, dependable build reflects Sony's reputation for quality, and the headphone jack allows private listening. The genuinely accessible price makes Sony quality attainable. For anyone who wants genuine Sony reception quality and clear sound in a compact, affordable everyday radio, the Sony ICFP26 is the most reliable value, most Sony quality pick on this entire list. The Retekess TR604 is the genuine loud and clear value pick, built to deliver powerful, room-filling sound at a genuinely accessible price. The standout is the genuinely loud, powerful audio, which fills a room, garage, or backyard with clear sound, making it a real favorite for anyone who wants their radio to be genuinely heard over background noise or across a larger space. Retekess has a reputation for delivering excellent radio value, and the TR604 delivers strong, clear AM and FM reception that reliably pulls in stations. The simple, intuitive tuning and controls keep operation genuinely easy, and the versatile power options often run on batteries or AC for genuine flexibility. The compact portable design goes anywhere, and the sturdy build handles regular use. The genuinely accessible price makes powerful sound attainable. For anyone who wants a genuinely loud, powerful, clear-sounding portable radio at an accessible price, the Retekess TR604 is the most powerful sound, most value-loud pick on this entire list. Closing out the list with the FosPower NOAA emergency radio, the genuine essential survival and emergency pick that keeps you informed and powered when the grid goes down. The standout is the genuine emergency preparedness feature set, headlined by NOAA weather band reception that delivers critical weather alerts and emergency broadcasts during storms and disasters, genuinely, potentially life-saving information when you need it most. Beyond the radio, it packs genuine survival features, including multiple charging methods, hand crank, solar, and battery, so it works even with no power, plus a built-in flashlight, reading lamp, and a USB port to charge your phone in an emergency, genuinely making it a complete emergency kit in one device. The AM and FM reception covers everyday listening too, and the rugged portable design goes in any emergency kit, car, or camping bag. The multiple power options ensure it always works. For anyone who wants a genuine emergency and survival radio with weather alerts, hand crank and solar power, and phone charging, the FosPower NOAA is the most emergency-ready, most survival-focused pick on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right portable radio, smash that like button and subscribe to TechMag for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.